Awesome. I'm here with Jessica. She just won second place in novice handbag. So what got you to enter this year?
I just thought it'd be fun to kind of stretch my skills and figure out what kind of a bag I could make. And since I had it made in time for the show, I just thought it'd be fun to enter it, get some feedback on it, see what the judges and other makers had to think about it, and just figure out how I could improve and get some other ideas from the people here at the show.
Awesome. And what would you tell someone thinking about entering next year?
Go for it. Even if I hadn't won anything, I think that the feedback you get from the judges is so valuable. It's really fun also to come to the show and chat with other makers and the people who have the booths, and just to be a part of this leather community is really fun. So yeah, if you have a project that qualifies for one of the competitions, definitely enter it because it's so fun.
Awesome. Thank you and great job, and hope to see you next year.
Thank you.